Hello. Welcome to C++, course, lecture number 11. Press Ctrl and to new window. In this lecture, we talk about if-else structure. In previous lecture, we discuss if structure, and its example I hope you understand. If-else structure is also a type of if structure. The if-else statement is used to execute both the true part and the false part of a given condition. If the condition is true, the if block code is executed, and if the condition is false, the else block code is executed. In previous video, we can get marks from user and see. If marks greater than 50, we show message your pass. But we didn't talk about if else less than 50. Basically, we also need if else to check if student is less than 50, we show a message your fail. Let's start to write a program. First, we take variable, which name is marks with start, our body and main function. Then we say user to enter his marks. Now we add if condition, if user marks greater than 50, a message show your pass. Now we see what if user gives below marks. So now here we add else condition. In the help of else condition, a message show to user your fail. Again, I explain you if user marks greater than 50 we show a message. Your pass using help of if structure, but if user less than 50 marks we show a message to user your fail using help of if else. Now save the file to run the program. I don't know why code is error to write get ch, so I write return 0 and code works. First we see what happened if marks greater than 50. Now we see what happened if marks less than 50. Our program is working. Subscribe and follow me on Twitter.